Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure heart rate on Apple Watch Series 11. To measure the heart rate, you have to press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to open the apps list, then find the heart icon or just heart rate app on the app list, then open it by tapping on it and scroll down using your digital crown, tap next. And next, you're gonna have to wear your Apple Watch on your wrist where it's supposed to be worn. And just wait until your heart rate is measured by the application. It's gonna take a moment. Okay, and right now you can view your historical data if you rotate your digital crown in this app and switch through the graphs and statistics. And you can also check for more data about your heart rate using the health application on your iPhone. And so that's basically how you measure your heart rate using your Apple Watch Series 11. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.